yeah, that was awkward. I mean, I am an awkward black girl. Anyway, welcome back, beings. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today is going to be a twofer. A twofer. One, I need to wash my hair. Two, I wanted to do just a random video. First, I'm doing a pre-poo because my hair is a mess. I'm doing a 50 random facts about moi. Before I get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing, just like love. Well, yeah, love don't cost a thing, right? I guess. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so it lets you know when I upload new videos. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So the products I will be using, the first one will be the 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration hot oil treatment. And the second product I will be using is the 100% virgin coconut oil rehydration treatment mask. Now both products are by Shea Moisture. So let's hop right into it. But yeah, so as I'm doing this, I'm gonna give you 50 random facts about myself. Fact number one. I'm a January baby. Born January 15th. I'm not giving you the year. You have to guess that yourself. Okay? Okay. Fact number two. I am a Capricorn. So, Capricorn starts December 22nd all the way up until January 19th. Capricorn. Number three. How you do this? Hold on. Oh my God, I'm so slow. Okay, simply. Okay, we gotta. No, that's not it. Ooh. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So, so what you're supposed to do is take this little bottle of oil and submerge it in some hot water for like a minute. So while that's in the water, let's finish these random facts. Number three, I am the youngest of three. Number four, I have, let me count, 1, 2, 3. I have 4 tattoos, 3 of which can only be visible depending on the clothing that I wear. This one right here is visible at all times because it's on my wrist. Number 5, let me see. My very first car was a 1997 Chevrolet Cavalier manual shift. Number 6, my very first job, my very first official job, was working at Dairy Queen. Number 7, y'all gonna laugh at this one. Number 7, in high school, I entered a pageant and I actually won the pageant. Yeah, I was in a pageant and it was called the Miss Black Swanee County pageant. This is hilarious. But I won Miss Black Swanee County. I think it was my sophomore year in high school. I'm not telling you the year. Hey, what I work from root to tip or from? Am I getting the oil? I got the oil in my hand. What is it? The writing's so small. I just can't see a project. Okay, so. Oops. Hold on. I can't. This ain't. 8. I threw the shot put for track and field in high school. The farthest I've ever thrown the shot put was 30, I think it was 31 feet. I didn't break the school record, but number 9. I don't have this written down. This is just coming off the top of my head. I don't know. You know, I've had my nose pierced twice. Then, I got my first tattoo at the age of 18. And, I called my grandmother to ask her permission. Oh my gosh. This stuff smells good though, man. Y'all might want to try this. Growing up, I had the biggest crush on Tony. Tony was the lead singer of the group High Five, if you know. I like the way you kiss me when we're playing the kissing game. Number 11. Y'all gonna be like, I wouldn't tell nobody that. But, I met R. Kelly. I was too old for it. My favorite, this is crazy. My favorite childhood dish or meal was macaroni and cheese, sweet peas, aka green peas, early peas, whatever peas you want to call them, a dinner roll, and fried chicken. I don't know how old I was, but I got stitches. It was a twofer. And I say that because I got stitches at one time in 2 different places. I got stitches in my right leg, and I also got stitches under my right butt cheek. Yeah. I decided to big chop my hair in the year 2010. So that's when I big chopped. So I have been natural going on 8 years. I big chopped in July of 2010. In college, undergrad, I majored in broadcast journalism. So I had high hopes of becoming a news producer. I feel like I can still do it though. I want to give y'all some juicy facts about me, but I'm kind of boring. I'm kind of dull. My very first hangover was at the age of 18. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I was a lush back then. I'm about to put a cap on my head and sit. What this thing say? It says sit for 3 to 5 minutes, so I'm about to do that for 3 to 5 minutes, and I'll be back with the other facts. I'm done, finished rinsing the stuff out my hair. That stuff felt good though, like for real. So what number am I on? 13, 14, 15, 16? I think I'm on 16. I don't know. The next product I will be using is the Rehydration Treatment Mask. So pretty much this is going to be a deep conditioner. I need it so bad. Y'all, I don't know what number I'm on. I'm just gonna be telling y'all stuff, and then I'll just be counting it as I'm editing this video, because I don't know what number I'm on. I really don't. Okay. So undergrad I attended an HBCU. So I am an HBCU alum, people. Yes, 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 yes. Oh yeah, I quit a job after 2 weeks. The only reason why I was working there was just until I heard from the other place that I wanted to work at, because they paid more and I got more hours. That was it. You know, the other place was a fast food joint, and I was just like, yeah, I'm tired of going home smelling like French fries and chicken and just fried food in general. Like, that's not the business, honey. I ain't got nothing against it, but that was back then. I just wasn't trying to work in the food industry no more. No. No. Very first time I flew, I've only been on a plane once. I mean, you can count twice. Once when I flew to my destination, and then the other time when I flew back home. Yeah, I've only been on a plane like one time. I've only been on a cruise once. Isn't that crazy? I've only been on a cruise one time, y'all. One time. And I bet y'all like, why she keep putting all that stuff in her hair? Baby, my hair need this, okay? My hair need it. I need to deep condition this stuff like crazy. I need to deep condition, I need to detangle. I need to do everything in the book. The very first time I cut my hair was my senior year in high school. And the crazy part about it is my hair had grown so much. My hair was relaxed at the time. My hair had grown so much till it was like, I don't know if y'all can see that. It was like right there, right? So I cut my hair up to here. I got a bob. One of my senior portraits, I'm like so happy about this. One of my senior portraits was on display at the actual studio. The photographer there had my photo on display. Every time you drove by the studio, you would see my face. And I always want to be like, oh wow, Erin, they getting featured. Like, I wanted my picture ever be up there. Lord behold, my picture was in the window. Yes. Another fun fact about me is I cursed out a teacher in high school. Like, dang, you was a rebel. No, I wasn't really a rebel per se. You know, wasn't that much of a rebel. But he kind of sort of deserved it, you know. He kind of sort of deserved it. And I say he deserved it because he used to curse in class. And he accused me of not appreciating art. Like, how can you do that? I had a migraine that day. You know, real bad migraine. And he was like, you need to wake up or whatever. I said, sir, I'm not asleep. I have a headache. I have a really bad migraine. So I'm not asleep. My head is down because I have a migraine. So, you know, he cursed at me and I just, you know, I went in. Who are you? My son and I share the same zodiac sign. He was born December 26th. I was born January 15th. We're both Capricorns. I always thought I would be in a relationship or marry someone of a different, not ethnicity, but I always thought I would marry someone from the Caribbean. I used to attract so many different island people, Jamaicans, Haitians, Trinidadians. It was crazy. Okay, so I finished putting the product in. I don't know how much I like it at this time, and I just have to figure out how I like it after I rinse it out. But as of now, I'm not a big fan of it. I'm about to use a handy dandy what's this thing? A shopping bag. Cause I don't have any plastic shower caps, so you use what you have. A plastic shopping bag underneath this twisty turvy, so I'm going to sit for like 30 minutes and let this whole body heat situation manipulate whatever is in my head right now, and hopefully when I rinse it out, I have another outlook on this particular treatment mask on my head. Okay, so be back. All right. Let's see how this is. Like, okay, so I know I said I was going to do these 50 random facts about me. However, I done ran out. I'm going to just have to do another video on my 50 random facts. This is an epic fail. Having some reservations about this hair mask right now that I need to rinse out my head. I'm not sure as to how I feel about it, because to be quite honest about it, when I talk to y'all, I kind of lose track of time. And I think the time now is, it's 11:19, okay? 11:19. And I need to finish this hair. To give you a little recap on what I did, I used the hydration hot oil treatment. I really love this stuff. Be honest with you, I love it. I haven't done a hot oil treatment. Normally a hot oil treatment is done like after you wash your hair. So I really like this. Actually softened my hair a little bit. It actually made it a little manageable to, you know, separate or whatever. So I really enjoyed this. However, this, I am still on the fence. I'm still on the fence about the treatment mask. Really still on the fence. And I say that because the detangling process was kind of crazy. I really couldn't detangle as much as I really wanted to. Also, I didn't like the residue. The residue was kind of, you know how you get those small little white clumps of things in your hair? That's how it was, and I wasn't too thrilled about that. I'm on the fence still. I may have to use it again, but as of now, the smell is awesome. I love that it's thick, just like the other conditioner that I use. I love the fact that it was thick. It's a thick conditioner. As a matter of fact, let me show you which one I'm talking about. The Manuka Honey conditioner. I really love that it's thick, but the slippage is terrible. There's not a lot of slip to it. I need slippage when I put my conditioner in, so I can go ahead and comb through my hair and not have to wrestle or tussle with my hair. That will make my hair break off more than what I really wanted to. Of course, you know, we all have we shed, like our hair sheds and it comes out and stuff like that. So I'm on the fence. I'm just gonna have to pray about it. I just don't know. However, I do enjoy Shea Moisture products. No ifs, ands, or buts about that. Just some things just don't work for me. And we all find that out the hard way, don't we? I know we do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whichever direction it decides to go. I hope y'all enjoyed it, cause as of now, them 50 random facts don't have to wait. So, don't forget to thumbs up this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. As I said in the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload videos. I'm about to go. Peace out. And remember, in order for your beanstalk to grow, you must first plant the seed. Smooches.